Hey everybody, we're going to use the backpack and do a few other tricks here in Scratch. Okay, so I have a Scratch screen set here. This is actually not my account, right? I'm on the Larry Bird Dolls account, and I'm just going to show you that I want to get a program from the Steve Bergen account. So if I click on the C project page, if I click on that letter S that sometimes looks like a letter B, okay, if I click on the C project page, I go here. If I choose create, I've got a brand new blank screen. If I click on the S for Scratch, I get to see my stuff. S for stuff, S for Scratch. If I come up here and I type in S Bergen 33 and push return, I access the account of somebody else. This happens to be the account of Steve Bergen, right? And if I scroll down or I search on this page for the word template, I'm going to search instead. It's too much to scroll. And I'll find template. And there's a lesson 3.0 template remix. And that's what I want. And I load it up. So I'm grabbing somebody else's program. Remember, I'm on the Larry Bird account. I'm grabbing something from Steve Bergen. I go see inside and I choose remix. See the orange over here? Remix. That means it's going to be mine. It means I'm taking it, saving a copy of this project and adding your own ideas. So I'm remixing it. I now have on my account this template. And this template consists of the starter commands that I've already explained. And that's one way of dealing with having your program and not having to put in these 7 commands. So if I want to write a program to move and turn, I can just add it to the starter set. Okay, and then I run the program and it does what I need to do, except I forgot to put the pen down, but that's irrelevant. Then you go to File and you choose Save as a Copy. And now the template, which is preserved on your computer in your Scratch account, can be homework 2.33, whatever it is. Doesn't matter. And then you can just choose Save Now. But there is another option. It's called the backpack. And it's right there in the bottom middle of the screen, right where I'm pointing with my arrow. So let me get those 2 gone. And you can take and pick up your little subprogram and just drop it to the word backpack. And now your backpack is a script that's ready to take out whenever you want it in a new program. Right? So if I click on the S, which takes me back to my stuff, and I click on the word Scratch, which takes me back to that, and I click on Create, I've got a new program. So now I've got 2 choices for starting my new graphic program. I can load up template from my library, but that involves clicking on S, going to my stuff and get it, or I can click the triangle that's on the same line as backpack, right in the bottom of your screen where I'm click on the triangle and lift up, and the program is right there. And the only disadvantage of this is I don't have that particular sprite. But if I want to make the pen go down, and then I want to move forward 100 steps. Remember, my template, which may not be your choice, but I think it's a good one, is that it makes the drawing go straight up first. So if I click on green flag, it draws up and it leaves from the back of the cat's neck. But that's why I love the triangle. All right? So that's it for backpack. There'll be other things you can put in your backpack. Your backpack is always there for you. You can use both methods. It's not one or the other. You can save by going to File and choosing Save Now. Sometimes there's a Save Now button right over there. You want to give things a descriptive name, and my preference is that it's of the form Homework 2.6, and then you can have a description if you want. You know about this, that makes the stage smaller and makes the programming area bigger. That little triangle. Maybe here's one for you. If you right mouse click anywhere here, which on the Mac means hold Control down, and you click, you have the ability to add a comment. And this comment can be whatever you want. This is the starter set. How do I do that? And you can change the size of your comments like that. You just click in the blank area where you're programming and click with the right mouse button on a PC or hold Control down, and then you can add a comment on the Mac. Okay, there will be other tricks. There's lots of tricks, right, with things down here and things with scripts and costumes, but that will be another video. I'm trying to think of what else I can share with you here. We are good, I believe. Take advantage of that S. Save frequently. Choose Save as a copy. Choose Share so that I can see your homework problems and your colleagues in your class can. And I think we're good. Okay? This is Steve Bergen signing off. Bye, everybody.